welcome back to TmezTv. We are rolling up to the shop. On the wrong side of the road, yes. And it is Saturday morning. We got to do maintenance from the day before. We ran 5th last night. Man, I got the lead on the top, and then I feel like it rubbered up on me on the bottom, and then I ended up, by the time I didn't realize it was rubbering up until I was running 4th, and then I went down there. I missed the bottom once, and Mosen got me. These guys have they run on a different tire, and it does different things, and you could stick the bottom. Like, I was just murdering the tire. Like, when it came in and there was nothing left, I was not surprised the way I was driving it, but the car was doing everything it needed to do because of that soft tire. I believe they're on an American Racer, like a 38. We had it like 10 pounds, 10 and a half maybe, because the sidewalls were so soft. And your boy was gonna plan on running the curb. So I'm pumped though. We got to finish, and the car ran amazing. And you know, it was another wonderful night at the racetrack where I got to hang out with my friends and my fans and my girlfriend. So yeah, we got some really good footage from last night. Got a couple interviews, and you know, these guys are really treating me amazing. Everywhere I go, I am being treated, you know, great. And you know, I've pretty much just been on a beach tour this last week for the most part. We kind of hiked ourselves to death on Monday, and then we were kind of slow Tuesday and picked it back up Wednesday, Thursday. But did have to do some maintenance, but everybody's been being really cool about that. They all know I want to go beach and go sightsee. Ultimately, that's what it comes down to. You know, I'm from California, and as a kid, when I would cut class at school, which I did a lot because I was a bad kid. No, I wasn't a bad kid. I was racing all the time, and I wasn't able to hang out with my friends as a kid because I was always racing. And so I cut class, and you know, we went to the beach, and so like just being at the beach, I love it. You know, I live in Indiana, and it's cornfields for the most part. It's really flat. There's no hills. There's no mountains. You know, and oh shoot, here it is. Maintenance day.
Turn left.
Maintenance day. And race day. Yeah. It is race day and maintenance day. Hopefully the boys are here, because I'm a little bit on the late show. It is 10:05, 20-minute drive. Look how pretty it is here. He's got a beautiful property. Alright, so the boys are here helping out, doing some washing. I got all the ignition out of the car, because ultimately when you go to wash the thing, you got to pull all the electronics out of it. The battery, the ignition box, the tag. This had something else on it. Oh, this had this little battery to run these gauges. These quick car gauges are really cool, but they're all digital. I'm sure you guys saw that last night. This right here is an overhead cam motor, so it's different than the Toyota or the Ford. And I was looking at this. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can read that. 10.4 limiter. Because apparently they don't have the 9,600 RPM rules that they do in America. I'm wondering what the Toyotas, they probably turn those 91, 92, 93. So yeah, 10.4. We only turned it 9,400 last night. The night before, it hit 10.1 one time, so then we pulled gear out of it. I think last night it kind of slowed down, so didn't use much of it. I could pull this pad out, but now it's dirty, so it might as well get washed. So quick power wash and then she's pretty much done. But JT is over here overachieving is really what he's doing. I think most people we don't have a whole lot of time for that, but he's gonna make it look good, and it'll probably look better tonight than it did yesterday because I didn't do that.
Oh, it's going. Welcome back to TmezTv.
Yeah, this will be.
I'm your new host.
Breeze now that it's not just me working on the car by myself.
I got you. We're cleaning the cars.
What did I come over for? Now I got distracted.
Do you have a tire for this? Tires.
We're putting it.
Yeah, we're short on tires.
So no.
Yeah.
Give me extra.
Oh yeah.
What kind of testing are they?
Yeah, we gotta get all the. Still doing something to the cars, hitting panels on, working hard. Hardly working.
Hardly working.
Well, you and I are hardly working, everyone else is pretty busy.
I got my soft beads going.
Soft beads. And I'm on YouTube channel content. Jess, you want to say hi to both the vlogs? So, Jess Morris.
47 CTQ.
Follow us on Facebook.
Probably like, what is all this content?
Yeah, I'm just helping to do that. You know, wait there. I mean, you could like follow us on Instagram, follow Honeybell Racing,
I
and
have my sunglasses on right now.
you do have them on you.
Where'd they go? Sweet ass is quite a variety of meanings. You could use it for anything. Yeah.
Okay, so ultimately got the car washed, then we greased the bars. I skipped the ball because it felt really nice. Did the nozzles, re-blocked the front because we had the front all jacked up, and basically go back to our starting point. Now I've run it 2 nights and I've started at different points. Kind of went back to last night's starting point because I feel like we were better last night. And I think they're gonna have more water on it today. The problem is the sun is brutal, super hot. I enjoy it. Oh. I got into mosing a little bit, so we were changing out the Nerf bar, but she's almost all back together, which is good because we only have about an hour and a half before the gates open. Oh, the fun panel.
Oh, sweet. And when you will, then I run it off. Get other yeah, so we'll get the new Midget. So we'll take.
Where do you guys fish?
Out in the harbour.
You just fish off the dock?
No, in a boat.
Oh, no kidding. That would be cool.
Yeah.
That'd be. What do you guys fish for?
Snapper, kingfish, trevally. I think Mason's taking up a fishing trip.
So what's your name?
Mason.
Mason?
Yeah.
Mason's been coming to all the races because he loves
fan of you.
TmezTv. So thanks for coming out, little mate.
Well, I hope you slay these guys tonight.
Oh, we should be good. We should be good.
Car's running really good.
Yeah, car's been really good.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, it's a hot rod for sure.